Coyote rollers, what they do and what they prevent. They prevent coyotes jumping into your yard by coming up to the fence and with their legs, and they fall right through. This is amazing, and this is our heavy duty gate system by ALU Globus. You have the tag, you have a full frame, so you know it's done with the right factory. Even our universal system has a top and bottom frame. It gives you that stability for your gate frame. Imagine a gate that has no frame on top and bottom and rely on slat. It will do this, it will sag. And probably will never be able to do a Coyote roller on a frame, a non-frame gate, because they need to connect and be parallel and level at all time. If not, the Coyote roller will pop out of the system. This is a cute system that you can put on our fences and our gates throughout the entire zone of your application. This is our two-way post that you can put your slats and put variations of gaps. This is our heavy-duty gate system. We got this beautiful side post, very massive, and the L piece that gives you the full security with your lock and impact. This is system done right from engineering, 2D prints, 3D prints, our die prints, our map, how it's built, our ALU map, and 7-stage architectural for powder coating that actually matters. There's an ocean right behind me, so the gate has to be done the right way. Our slats are 3/4 of an inch, 60-63 T6, the way it needs to be done. And this is a Coyote roller, and it's a beautiful system to add if you are living in zones like these. This is Malibu, Pacific Palisade, a lot of coyotes. We can ship this out to you, and our gate system can be shipped out. This is a little bit harder to install. This is our heavy duty gate system. We also have a universal system that will be more of a DIY setup. And you're able to do our heavy system for bigger spans, bigger capabilities. And that's saying Coyote roller is a great upgrade as a contractor or homeowner watching. Contractor can offer that to your customers. Coyote rollers is super popular in the hillsides. ALU 40 system we have here, black, our two-way post. Beautiful setup here by ALU Globus materials. Installation done by Globus Gates here in California. But we have many vendors and many distributors throughout the States that can help you with your install. Call us and get our price list, exclusive price list for contractors, and we'll ship that beautiful product down to your doorstep. These are systems, real engineering, real standpoint, and you got the logo so you know the factory is standing behind the product. ALU Globus, that was Coyote rollers with a little bit more system feedbacks by ALU Globus.